It was very shocking to me because Professor Muzaffar Assadi was all along was very active, and he was involved in many you see the proactive initiatives for the human rights and also for the religious tolerance. And I feel he is one of the important public intellectuals we had, and had many occasions. Uh, I had many occasions uh, attend several seminars, programs, and workshops along with him, and I feel that he was very much enriched with the information on the community issues, especially on the Muslim socio-economic political issues.
Yes.
Muzaffar Assadi was held in high esteem not only among the Muslims but also across the different sections of the people in our state, and also I can say in our country. He had his higher education from, as I know, from Jawaharlal Nehru University, and he was a very progressive teacher. He
Mm-hmm.
hails from Udupi district, the coastal district of Karnataka.
Mm-hmm.
He many a times he has emphasized saying that the people of the southern Karnataka should emulate the model of progress made by the Muslims of the coastal Karnataka,
Mm-hmm.
especially in terms of the discipline and also more focus on the self-development in terms of education, in
Mm-hmm.
terms of business and all that.
Yes.
And he was also considered to be one of the important person in the university administration in Mysore University. There were so many, informations that were spread out earlier that he was to be tipped as the vice chancellor of any of the university
Mm-hmm.
of Karnataka. But as you know well, many things are involved in such nominations.
Mm-hmm.
He had all the eligibility,
Mm-hmm.
all the academic requirements to be the vice chancellor.
Mm-hmm.
He was also the acting vice chancellor of the Mysore University for quite some time.
Mm-hmm.
But to recognize his services, he should have been appointed as a vice chancellor.
Mm-hmm.
Really, it was personally shocked to me
Yeah.
that he is no more. I was following him on the social media because I was also his friend on the Facebook and also on many other platforms.
Mm-hmm.
And he used to exchange many of his thoughts with me.
Mm-hmm.
And recently, some of his articles, which were translated into Kannada,
Mm-hmm.
they came out in the form of a book, and it was a delightful moment that recently he was awarded uh, award by Karnataka Sahitya Academy in
Mm-hmm.
recognition of his intellectual expertise. And he was equally eloquent, not only in English, but also in Kannada.
Mm-hmm.
And such people, I feel they are proud of our community, proud of our state, proud of our country. Such people, they should be patronized well
Yes.
by the people in power. But unfortunately, such things won't happen.
Mm-hmm.
It hurts me a lot.
Yes, sir.
And
So,
I feel, yeah, please tell me.
so as you knew him so well in personal and
Yeah,
professional life, was there
yeah,
any
yeah.
particular moment or a particular time when
Hmm.
you met him or something as such? Anything that any memory that you can recollect about him with you?
Yeah, he was always very humble, sincere to his work, and used to discuss many issues related to the socio-economic development of Muslims in Karnataka and also of the backward classes. And many a times when I told him that you need to be the vice chancellor of any university, he said,
Mm-hmm.
if at all my services are to be considered, they will consider me for such type of the prestigious assignments, but I will not lobby for that, he used to tell me. And
Okay.
on many occasions, he was a very proud person from the Muslim community. He used to tell that the people in the coastal Karnataka are more awakened, and that is how they are under the radar of religious intolerance, and all such things are there. But
Mm-hmm.
even in spite of that, we need to have more confidence in ourselves,
Mm-hmm.
and we should come out of the shell of the limited circles in which we people are, living inside. We should break those shells, and we should come out, and we should prove ourselves in the mainstream, he used to say. And
Yes.
there are many other things. I don't want that this should be in the public domain, but
Okay.
he was a very,
Yes.
noble academician, and I can say the university was proud of his services.
Okay.
And I pray that he, his soul will rest in peace, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will
Yes.
grant him a place in Jannah.
Mm-hmm.
And my condolences to his family members. They are
Mm-hmm.
very bereaved family members and his admirers throughout the country and the state. It is
Yes.
a loss. Such tribe should increase in our
Yes.
state. This is
Yes.
my feeling.
Okay.
बहुत
Thank
ही
you.
पुरखुलूस
जी
मिलनसार आदमी थे मुजफ्फर असदी साहब.
जी 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 जी.
जी जी.
Thank you for speaking to Daily Salar Digital, sir. May Allah
It's pleasure.
bless him with Jannah, and
Yeah, yeah.
wish,
Amin, amin, amin.
and we ask Allah that may Allah give sabr to his family.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Amin, amin, amin,
Uh,
amin.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a pleasure.
Thank you.